Hi guys, welcome to Crafty House. I'm going to show you today how to crochet this chevron stripe blanket. And for this one I've used the Caron Cakes self-striping yarn, so it gets all this color just right from this one ball of yarn. So for this blanket I ended up using 4 skeins of the Caron Cakes, and I'm just going to crochet a small sample here on the video. And then there's a free pattern that will show you how to finish it off. So let's get started. For this pattern, we're going to start off with a slip stitch, or slip knot. And for the blanket, you'll chain 144, but just for this sample, if you want to change sizes, you can do just multiples of 13 plus 1. So I'm just going to do 27 chains to start off with this one. That's my little sample. They're just 27 chains right there. So the first stitch that we're going to start off every row is actually single crocheting 2 together. So we won't go in this first chain, but we'll go in the second one right here. Just insert your hook, pull 1 loop up, and then insert your hook into the next stitch and pull a loop up, so you'll have 3 loops. And yarn over and pull through. So that's crocheting those 2 single crochets together. And then we'll start going up the hill of the chevron. And we'll do half double crochets, 4 half double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're at the top of the hill now, and so we'll do 3 half double crochets all in the same stitch. And that's the top there, and we're going to go back down and we'll do 5 half double crochets down. And we're going to skip 2, so that's the valley of the crochet of the chevron. 1, 2, and half double crochet in this 3rd stitch here. So then we'll do 5 up. So that was our first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're just gonna repeat again. So there's 3 half double crochets in the same stitch. And on our way back down, we'll do 4 half double crochets to end the row. So every row at the ending 4 as well. So there's 2, 3, and 4. And you should have 2 stitches left, and you'll single crochet both of those together as well, like we did in the beginning. And chain 1 and turn your work, and you'll already start to see that zigzag start to form there. So we're starting again with single crocheting 2 together. And to get the more textured look where you see each row and how the lines move up and down with the chevron stripe, and we're gonna do all of the stitches from here on out in the back loop only. So usually you'd crochet here in the V stitch, but for these we're gonna just do that second half there. So we'll do 4 half double crochets going up. And then we'll do the 3 half double crochets in this top stitch here. And then 5 going back down. Now at the valley of the chevron stripe, we're going to skip 2 and half double crochet into this 3rd one. There's your 5 half double crochets back up, and then 3 at the top. Since we're at the end of the row, we'll half double crochet 4 back down. have 2 left, and we'll single crochet those 2 together. Chain 1, see into your second row. You can see this line here is the texture that we get from doing just the back loops only. So I'll do a couple more rows just so you get the hang of it. So single crochet 2 together, and half double crochet in back loop 4 going up, and 3 at the top. An easy way, if you lose count, is it'll always be on that 3rd stitch right in the middle. So the 3 that we did from the previous row, you'll always want your 3 then to be in that middle stitch. And 5 back down. Skip 2. And half double crochet 5 back up. 3 again at the top. And 4 back down. And single crochet those last 2 together. So you have that nice flat edge on the sides here. And the yarn's already started to change color. So you'll just keep repeating row 3 in the back loops only over and over and over again until you get your nice chevron blanket. This is a really easy pattern to do, especially just sitting in front of the TV or watching your favorite movie. I love these kinds of patterns, so thanks for watching.